Hint number one, instead of using the center of mass formula for discrete point masses, which is the sum of all the masses times x center of mass equals the sum of all the mx products, you're going to use the integral version of that, which is the sum of all of the infinitely small dm's, where if you break that mass up into tiny little dm's, each little piece is a dm. If you're going to sum up all of those dm's and you're going to multiply that by the x-coordinate of the center of mass, which is the unknown, that's the thing you're trying to find, and that's going to equal the integral, the sum of all of the dm's times each dm's x-coordinate, because each dm has its own unique x-coordinate. But usually this is written integral dm x center of mass equals the integral of x dm, like that. And usually there's not even parentheses on that last integral. So let me take those off, like that. So that's the formula you're going to have to use.